friends and neighbors, and welcome. Today's video is a recipe video to make these wonderful chocolate chip cookie bars. So the ingredients that we need include 1 1/4 cups packed of light brown sugar, 2 eggs, we need 1/3 cup of softened butter, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1/2 cup of coarsely chopped nuts of your choice. I chose to use walnuts, and then 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. We're going to start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. And then in a bowl, I'm going to mix up my dry ingredients. So into this bowl goes the 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then I'm going to mix that all together and set it to the side. Then in a separate bowl, I'm going to put the 1/3 cup of softened butter, 1 1/4 cups packed of the light brown sugar, and the 2 eggs. We're going to beat those together until it's all nice and smooth. We're going to slowly add in that flour mixture, and this dough is a thick dough. It's a lot like cookie dough. Once that's mixed together, we're going to add in our 1/2 cup of the semi-sweet chocolate chips and the 1/2 cup of coarsely chopped nuts. And I just bought this bag of walnut pieces at Kroger, and they're pretty much the perfect size for this. I didn't have to do any extra chopping or anything. And once all that's mixed together, we need a 9x9 pan, and I'm just going to take a paper towel and a little bit of grease and grease the bottom and the sides. Although I did decide to cut a piece of parchment paper and put it in the bottom just so it would be easier to remove the bars. But you do not have to do this part if you don't want to. Just grease your pan real good. And then we're going to put our mixture in the pan and smooth it out. You want it to be as even as possible so everything cooks evenly. Then we are going to put it in the oven for about 30 minutes until the top is nice and golden brown. Once it's done, I let these sit on the counter and cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. I like to eat them while they're still warm, so I didn't let them cool all the way down. And then you just cut them into bars. You should be able to get about 16 individual bars depending on how big you cut them. And they are soft and chewy, and they have the little bits of walnut that gives it that little bit of crunch to it, and they're delicious. I hope you like this recipe. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I thank you all for joining me today, and I will see you all next time.